In the last session we have discussed exercise 8.2 up to 4 questions. Now see the fifth question. Here they have given two triangles. What they said here, given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. That means here you need to consider two triangles. What is said here? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So write it here. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. That means here the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. That means angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. And what are the corresponding sides here? AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to BC by QR. This is the condition they have given. And after that they are saying here CM and RN are respectively the medians of the triangle ABC and PQR. And they have drawn two medians. What is the meaning of median? If you take a midpoint of one side and if you are drawing a line segment with the midpoint of the one side to that of the opposite vertex. So let us consider this is the midpoint of AB, right? And you need to draw a line segment to the opposite vertex. What is the opposite vertex here? Which is nothing but C. So this is the median of this triangle. And similarly you need to take the midpoint of PQ. Let us consider this is the midpoint of PQ, and again you need to draw the line segment joining the opposite vertices. That is nothing but the median. And they have given the median as CM and RN, right? And they have marked this one as CM and here it is RN. These are the medians of the triangle. And based on these two conditions, you need to prove here triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Now, based on this condition, we need to prove three conditions. Let us see the first condition. Before that, write what they have given here. So let us write here fifth question. So what is given here? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Right? So what they have given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Right? So here, and after that what is meant by the similarity? Then corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are also proportional. So write it here. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. This is the first condition. Now take the corresponding sides. So what is the corresponding side of AB, which is PQ, and what is the corresponding side of BC, QR, and the corresponding side of AC, which is PR. This is they have given. Let us consider this equation as 1, 2, and this equation as 1. Right? And after that what they have given here? They have given here CM and RN are the medians of the triangles ABC and PQR. So write it here, and CM is the median of. So what they have given here? CM is the median of the triangle ABC. So what is the meaning of median? Median is nothing but if you take the midpoint, since they have given here median, which is nothing but M is the midpoint of AB. From this you can write it here AM is equal to MB, because since it is a midpoint, it is dividing this line segment into equal parts. So you will get here AM is equal to MB. Why? Because they have given itself in the question CM is the median. So from this what you will get here AM is equal to MB. Right? Because here it is a midpoint. MB is the midpoint, so we can say that AM is equal to MB. Now this is the end they have given here. RN is the median of this triangle. So write it here. RN is the median of triangle PQR. If RN is the median, similarly N will be the midpoint of PQ. So that we can say that PN is equal to NQ. So write it here. PN is equal to NQ. Right? This is they have given. Based on these equations and based on these PNR. This is what we need to prove, and similarly we need to prove here CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ, and triangle CMP is similar to triangle RNQ. These things we need to prove it. So let us prove the first one. So here if you want to prove triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR, we need to choose these two triangles, and you have to check which similarity you can apply there so that you can prove these two triangles are similar. So make a note of all these things here. So the first one, what we need to prove? Proof. So we have to prove here that triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. So you need to choose those two triangles. So consider the triangles. What are two triangles? AMC and PNR. Now you need to choose these two triangles, and we need to prove here these two triangles are similar. So how do you prove? Just check it here. Here they have, you know that here angle A is equal to angle B. If you consider these two triangles here, I am drawing those two triangles here separately. So it will look like this. So here what we need to prove here, triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Right? And in the question itself they have given here triangle ABC is similar to triangle. So you can say that here angle A is equal to angle B, because in the question itself they have given these two triangles are similar. From that you will get here angle A is equal to angle B. And if we can prove here one more angle is equal in these two triangles, so that you can say it here by angle similarity, you can say that those two triangles are similar. Or otherwise if you can prove here the corresponding sides are proportional and this is the included angle, and if you can prove here these two sides are proportional and these two sides are proportional, then also we can say that these two triangles are similar. Now let us check which similarity you can apply it here now. Now you can observe that what they have given here, these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, you know that their corresponding sides are proportional. So you can know that here AC by this triangle PR is equal to AB by, what is the corresponding side of AB, which is nothing but PQ, right? Which is PQ. This is what equation 2. While in the given we have already marked this one as equation 2. From equation 2 what you will get here, AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. Now here AC by PR, in place of AB what we can write, here they have given in the question CM is the median of the triangle. If CM is the median of the triangle, you know that M is the midpoint and M divides this line segment into two equal parts, such that you will get here AM is equal to MB. Right? So if you want to find what is the value of AB in terms of AM, so this one you can write it as, you know that AB, you can write AB as AM plus PM, right? So here AM plus PM. But here you know that these two values are equal. So in place of PM you can write it here AM. So what you get here, AM plus AM. So here you will get AB is equal to 2AM. Right? So here in place of AB you can write it here 2AM. So write it here 2AM. Similarly here in place of PQ what you can write, I am saying here in place of PQ what you can write, PQ is nothing but PN plus NR. And you know that again PN is equal to NR. So that you will get here PQ is equal to 2 times of PN. Same thing you can follow it here. So how do you can write this one? You know that you can write PQ as PN plus NQ, right? The total length. And again you know that this length is equal to this length. Why? Because M is the midpoint. So here in place of NQ you can write it here PN. So write it here PN plus PN. So what you will get here? You will get 2PN. So in place of PQ you can write it here 2PN. This 2 will get cancelled, and what you are getting here, AC by PR is equal to AM by PN. Right? Now you can apply the similarity. Which similarity you can apply here? Just check it. And here we got it here, AC is equal to PR and AC by PR is equal to AM by PN. This we got, and you know that here angle A is equal to angle P because these two triangles are similar. So angle A is equal to angle P. So by these two conditions you can say that these two triangles are similar. Why? Because here we are applying SAS similarity here. You can observe that here AC by PQ. What is meant by AC by PQ? This length, the corresponding side of these two triangles, and AM by PN. Where is AM by PN? This is AM, and here this is PN. And angle A is equal to angle P. So here what you got in here, angle A is equal to angle P. What is this one? Including angle, and here the corresponding side. So here you can observe here SAS and SKS. By SAS similarity you can say that these two triangles are similar. Again, what we need to prove here? We need to prove here this triangle ANC is similar to triangle PNR. So we have considered these two triangles, and in the question itself they have given these two triangles are similar. What are those two triangles? The bigger triangles, which is ANC, ABC and PQR. So here you know that angle A is equal to angle P. And since M is the midpoint, in place of AB you can write it here 2AM, in place of PQ you can write it here 2PN. So after substitution we got it here AC by PR is equal to AM by PN. Now if you consider these two triangles by SAS similarity, we can say that these two triangles are similar. This is the first condition we need to prove here. Now right after that we will go to prove the remaining conditions. So here what you will get here, angle A is equal to angle P. Why? Because from equation 1. And after that AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. This is by equation 2. From equation 2. We have already written while in the given. So here now write it here, AC by PR is equal to, in place of AB what we can write, just now we have to, in place of AB you can write here as 2AM. So write it here 2AM. In place of PQ you can write it here 2PN. So write it here 2PN. Here you can write the condition why we have changed this one into this one. Since I am writing only for the numerator, similarly you can write for the denominator. So here since AB is equal to AM plus BM and it is equal to AM what we need to prove here, CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. That means here what we need to prove here, CM by RN, which are the medians of these two triangles, is proportional to AB by PQ, which is nothing but one of the sides of these two triangles. So here we already proved here triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Now we are going to use this one and we are going to prove this one by using this one. So here write it here since triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Right? Here we already proved this condition, triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. If these two triangles are similar, we can say that their corresponding sides are proportional. Now take the corresponding sides of these two triangles. So here, what is the corresponding side of AM, which is PN? So you will get here AM by PN is equal to MC by NR is equal to AC by PR. Right? So write it here, AM by PN is equal to CM by RN is equal to AC by PR. So we have took the corresponding sides. Now what we need to prove here, check it here, CM by RN. Here CM by RN is there. Now you need to prove here this value, this ratio is equal to AB by PQ. So what we need to choose here, these two equations we can choose or these two equations we can choose. Let us check here. So here you need to prove here this value is equal to AB by PQ. Now you can observe that there is a relationship between AM and AB and PN and PQ, but there is no relationship between AB, AC and PQ and PR. Now so you need to choose these two equations. Why? Because you know that AB is equal to 2AM. That just now we have proved in the before proof. Now we are going to use that one here. So you can choose these two equalities here. AM by PN is equal to CM by RN. Right? And after that, you know that here AB is equal to 2AM. Just now we have proved this one. Because since M is a midpoint, you can write in place of AB, which is 2AM. Because you will get AM plus MB in place of MB, we have written AM, so that you will got AB is equal to 2AM. Similarly, since here we need to find what is the value of AM in terms of AB, here AM is there. You need to write AM in terms of AB so that you can get this one is equal to this one, right? So here what is AM, which is nothing but half of AB. If 2 you are taking to this side, what will it become? It will become 1 by 2. So you will get 1 by 2 AB is equal to AM. And similarly, you know that PQ is equal to 2PM, right? You know that here PQ is equal to 2PM. Since we need to find the value of PN here, so find the value of PN, which is 1 by 2 PQ is equal to PN. So we have changed this AM in terms of AB and we have changed PN in terms of PQ. Why? Because they have given here CM and RN are the medians, right? Using that condition, we have changed this one. So in place of AM, what you can write here, half of AB by, in place of PN, you can write half of PQ. Half of PQ is equal to CM by RN. And here this half will get cancelled. So this is what we need to prove. We need to prove here CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. Why we have written here? Just write this one here. Since at this step you write here this one, right? Here you can write it here. And so this is what we need to prove here. Again, what we have proved first, we have proved that these two triangles are similar. And based on that, you know that the corresponding sides are proportional. We took their corresponding side, and after that, since we know that CM and RN, CM and PQ are the medians of those two triangles, so applying that concept, we have written in place of AM half AB, in place of PN, which is half PQ. So that we have proved here CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. Now see the last third condition. What we need to prove here. here these two triangles are similar. Before first one, what we have proved here, we proved here this triangle is similar to this triangle. Now we are going to prove this triangle is similar to this triangle. Same procedure you need to follow here also, so that you can prove this thing. So here what we need to take, you need to consider first these two triangles. So let us write here, consider the triangles. What are those triangles? CMB and RMQ. So if you consider these two triangles here, so if you consider the triangle CMB and RMQ, you know that here angle B is equal to angle Q. Why? Because these two triangles are similar, so angle B is equal to angle Q. Why? Because from the equation 1. So write it here, angle B is equal to angle Q from equation 1. Or you can write it here, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. By that condition, the corresponding angles are equal. Now here, similarly, if you can prove here CB by RQ is equal to MB by MQ, then again by the SAS similarity, you can say that those two triangles are similar. Now we are going to prove here BC by RQ is equal to BM by RQ. Now if you want to prove again, you need to take their corresponding sides ratio. Since they have given here triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. From that, so from equation 2, what you can write it here, AC by, what is the corresponding side of AC, which is PR, and what is the corresponding side of AB, PQ, and what is the corresponding side of BC, which is RQ. Now here you can consider these two equalities, because here there is no need to take this condition, because we are proving that these two triangles are similar. So there is no use of taking AC and PR. So let us leave this one and take this equation, which is AB by PQ is equal to BC by RQ. Now what you can write it here, you can choose, we can write it here AB by PQ. In place of AB, similarly you can write it here 2BM. Why? Because here the same thing, AB is equal to AM by AM plus BM. Right? You can write AB, the total length, as AM plus BM, and you know that AM is equal to BM. These two lengths are equal because M is the midpoint. So here in place of AM you can write it here BM. So here BM plus BM. This gives to here 2BM. Right? So in place of AB you can write it here 2BM. So write it here 2BM. Similarly, in place of PQ you can write it here 2QM. So write it here 2QM is equal to BC by QR. These two will get cancelled. Here also you can write here this condition, why we have written this one. Now here what we got it here, we got here BM by QM is equal to BC by RQ, and you know that what we got it here, this side is proportional to this side and this side is proportional to this side. Now you know that by SAS and SKS similarity, these two triangles are similar. So write it here, and angle B is equal to angle Q. Therefore by SKS similarity, we can say that the triangle CMB is similar to the triangle RMQ. This is what we need to prove. So what we have proved in this problem, we have proved here triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR by using the SAS similarity, and we have, by taking this similarity, we have proved here CM by RM is equal to AM by PQ, and after that again we have proved here these two triangles are similar. Now see the next question. Here sixth question. This question you can do it as a homework. Just I will explain how to do this problem. Here what they have given diagrams AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. First you need to consider one trapezium. You know that what is trapezium? If one pair of sides are parallel, you know that it is a trapezium. So consider here one trapezium like this. Now here they have named the trapezium as ABCD with AB is parallel to CD. So here A, B, C, D. They have given here this line is parallel to this line. And after that these two, the diagonals intersect each other at O. So that means here if you draw here one diagonal and if you draw here one more diagonal and it is intersecting at a point O. Based on this condition you need to prove here OE by OC is equal to OB by OD. This is the condition we need to prove here. So here what they have given here ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. They have given here these two lines are parallel and the diagonals are intersecting at a point O. Now based on this condition you need to prove OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. So if you want to prove here you can observe that what are the sides are there here OA, OC, OB, OD. That means here these are the sides, it is there OA, OB, OC, OD. So you can choose here the triangles, this triangle and this triangle. If you can choose these triangles, what are those triangles? Triangle AOB and triangle COD. Now if you can prove here these two triangles are similar, then by the corresponding sides, since if these two triangles are similar, you can take their corresponding sides so that you will get this equation. Now how do you prove these two triangles are similar? Now, first you need to consider those two triangles here and you know that these are the intersecting lines, right? If these two are intersecting lines, here these are the vertically opposite angles and you know that the vertically opposite angles are equal. So you will get here this angle is equal to this angle. And what they have given here, this side is parallel to this side. So if these two sides are parallel, if you are drawing one line, what we call that line, which is a transversal. And you know that alternate interior angles are equal. So here, what are the alternate interior angles, which is angle D, and this triangle which is angle B. Now, if you can choose these two triangles here, I am drawing here separately. Here this is the one triangle and here this is the other triangle. We got it here. This angle is equal to this angle and similarly here this angle is equal to this angle. So in this triangle two angles are equal and similarly in this triangle two angles are equal. So by angle similarity we can write these two triangles are similar. So let us mark what are those sides 0, C, D and here A, B. So by angle similarity we can say it here triangle AOB is similar to, while writing the similarity you need to check which angle is equal to the other angle in the other triangle. Here angle A is equal to angle C, right? So here in place of A you can write it here C, and angle O is equal to angle O. In place of O write O. And you know that angle B is equal to angle D. So in place of B you can write it here D. Now we have proved here these two triangles are similar, right? Because here the vertically opposite angles are equal and similarly if you take these two sides are parallel, this will be the transversal and you know that in a transversal the alternate interior angles are equal. So that here we got two of the angles are equal in both of the triangles. So by adding angle similarity we have proved here these two triangles are similar. Now you can take their corresponding sides. So you can write it here OA. What is the corresponding side of OA, which is OC, and what is the corresponding side of OB, which is OD, OB by OD. This is enough, right? What we need to prove here, OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. This is what we need to prove. Like this, you can solve this problem. This one you can do it as an